Hey everybody, we got some big old King Kong sized jumbo shrimp over here for you. We're going to be making a nice shrimp scampi for Mother's Day. We got some nice jumbos over here. Got a little bit of pasta. We're going to be basically heating up the water, putting the pasta in it. We're going to be cooking the shrimp, making a little bit of sauce, then combining everything at the end, adding a little bit of Parmesan. Here, stick around. I'm going to show you how to make some delicious shrimp scampi right at home. Okay, first thing we're going to do is get our shrimp ready. Got to de-thawm. Best way to do that, get you a Tupperware, put them right in the Tupperware, run water over them. Do not open the bag. Do not poke holes in the bag. Here, it's going to take maybe about an hour. Here, stick around. We'll be right back. All right, we're going to do our onion while we wait. All right, our shrimp is de-thawed. We're ready to go. We're going to boil our pasta water. We're going to do it al dente. We're going to let it sit in the colander for a minute. We're going to make cook our shrimp. We're going to make our sauce, combine everything. We're going to show you the whole process. Now we're going to salt our water. We got about a tablespoon of salt, and we got a little olive oil. It's not quite reached a rolling boil yet, but it's getting close. So we're going to, salt it right now, oil it right now, a little oil, not too much, just a little bit. Wait for that rolling boil, and we're going to dump our pasta in. Be right back. All right, that is a rolling boil. Putting our pasta in, we're going to check it at about 7 minutes. It says 8 to 9, but since we're going to cook it a little bit more, we're only going to do 7 minutes. Our timer just went off. We're ready. We're going to drain this. Be right back. All right, and you make sure your shrimp are peeled before you start your scampi over here. You start with the shell, it's not going to get good flavor. So these easy peels, pretty simple. Just kind of peel the shell back, pull it. There you go. Another trick for the tail is you put a little pressure towards the end, it'll come right off. Make sure these legs all go through when you're cleaning your shrimp. You don't want any legs in there. Cleaned up. Yep, just like that. All right, it's a little tedious, but it's definitely worth it. All right, our skillet is nice and warm. We are going to start by sauteing our onions just with olive oil. When they're a little translucent, we're going to add our butter, our garlic, some aromatics in there, and then get our cream going. Here, stick around. All right, this is about the doneness we want for the onions. We're going to reduce the heat a little bit now, and we are going to add our stick of butter. Like that. Now we're going to add our garlic. We're going to add about a tablespoon or so. Let that butter go to work. Now we're going to go ahead and add our lemon pepper. About a tablespoon or so. It doesn't have much salt in it, so we're good. You don't know till you damn know. All right, now we've got some old parsley laying around. It's about to go bad, but it's okay. It's just a little bit dry. So we're gonna break it up a little bit. Throw that in there. Waste not, want not, right, you guys? There we go. And you see those little crusties on the bottom? That's okay. Our wine is gonna deglaze all that, so no problem at all. It smells so good with that lemon in there. All right, you guys, now we're going to add our shrimp. There's some recipes that, have them cooked separately in a different pan, but who wants to use all these pans? We're doing a one-pan shrimp scampi. So we're putting our shrimp right in here. I'm going to get them happy, get them flavorful. I'm not going to let anything burn. And then we're going to go in there with our wine. When they're starting to cook down a little bit, getting that color, and we're going to add our cream. These cook fast, so we're going to be moving fast. And stay tuned for the next step. All right, now we're going to add the wine so these cook together with the wine and kind of marries the flavor. We'll let the alcohol boil off, then we'll add the cream. But first, we got to test that wine. Got our Chardonnay over here. Yep, the shrimp will like that. And it's about half a cup we're aiming for. We're a little over, a little under. That's okay. probably good. Might have been a little over. Not a big deal. All right, you see those shrimp are starting to change color. All right, you guys, it's looking really good. It's smelling really good. It's too bad they don't have smell-o-vision yet because you guys would be in heaven right now. We're gonna add a little bit of that lemon pepper right there. And once this hits the pan, you guys, it smells so lovely. Really good stuff. Flavor right in there. Your shrimp nice and coated. All right, now we're ready for the cream. We're gonna go for about a cup. And if you have one of these little guys, that's half the container. Yeah, that's good. Mix our shrimp up in there. And we're going to let this simmer and let it reduce. Let those shrimp suck up all those beautiful flavors. Not much left to do now. We're going to add our noodles here in a second, but we got to get this right first. Just stay tuned. All right, you guys, we're at that consistency now where we can kind of add it in there and just let it do its own thing. But this is cast iron. We're going to turn the heat off because it's going to basically have enough heat to, take it all the way there. We're nice and saucy, you guys. We're going to put a little bit of the Parmesan in there. We're going to mix it up, let that cheese melt, and then we're going to serve. Oh yeah, smelling good, looking good. Going in the bowl. All right, my friends, super simple. All we did is we cooked the pasta, we made the sauce, we put the shrimp in the sauce while we're still cooking it, then we added everything together and then kind of let it marry together for maybe 3-4 minutes, took it off, and here we are. It's going to be a delicious meal. One pot, one pan shrimp scampi. Super easy, very delicious. Here, we're going to tell you exactly what I think over here. This is absolutely amazing, my friends. Very easy, very simple, all real ingredients. It maybe took about an hour or so, but definitely give this one a try. Make sure you're subscribed for the next one. Thank you for watching. God bless and happy Mother's Day.